14. taikaisemmin Vuorikatu 20 here in Heinola, Lahti Finland. With these 3 birds.
Sulta skettiä Heinolan vuoritella.
Was built in 1963, modernized in 1991. It has always been a bit faster.
Yeah.
Consumers H1 to 007. As these 3 birds is their Vuorikatu. But the modernization was quite also unnecessary, but still interesting.
Yeah.
It's been in 6 originally.
Yeah.
Too much graffiti here.
Yeah.
I like the sense of smell here.
Same. That's